So you've done all the hard work when it comes to selling on Amazon. You've contacted hundreds of suppliers, you've gone through thousands of items, and you're ready to spend your hard-earned cash on some products to send in to sell for a profit. And you pay your supplier and you end up sending those items in, and on the way in, your products end up getting damaged or destroyed, and you're out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now, for a small business, this could be absolutely detrimental. So what do you do? Well, today I'm going to be offering to you guys a solution that we've used this entire last year of how to protect ourselves. And up to this point, we've only shared it with our mastermind members, but really excited to share it with you guys today. Let's get right to it. Hey everybody, my name is Kris and welcome back to another video. Now, there are so many pros of running an Amazon-based business, right? We get to work from our home, get to set our own hours, and there's so much freedom that comes with that. Now, the major con when it comes to selling on Amazon, you can talk to a lot of sellers that are doing this full time, such as myself, and it's the lack of control. And we're essentially playing by Amazon's rules. So anything we can do to take control back in our business is something I always advocate for. Now, before I do get into the logistics of what I'm proposing to you guys and what we use, I do want to announce the free 30-minute call, and I always give out one copy of my online arbitrage book right here. Book winner's right here. The free call winner is right here. Reach out to me on social media and let's set something up. And if you do want to enter in a chance to win, all you have to do in the description of this video, enter where you're from, what state you're from, or what country you're from, and I'll pick a winner next video. So the reason why we don't use UPS or FedEx when it comes to insuring packages on Amazon is because we get to create our packages through the Amazon portal, which gives us Amazon's carrier rates for UPS and FedEx or whatever other carrier you're using. And this is absolutely huge to the margins of our business. We can't afford to use our own UPS account or FedEx account. You're just not going to get the same rates. And so the problem here is that you cannot insure those packages, at least at the time of this video, which opens up a lot of liability for sellers such as ourselves. And so what we did was we ended up finding a company that would work with us, that would insure our shipments being sent into Amazon warehouses, and that company is called YouPick. Now, the way YouPick works is that they will insure each box based on the value of that box. So you could be sending in a box, and if you've sent in boxes into Amazon FBA before, you're well aware that it could be potentially thousands of dollars of inventory that you're sending in just one box. And so the way this works is that they insure that box on per unit of $100. So that means that if you have a $3,000 box, that means that box is getting insured for 30 units of $100, and the first $100 is free. And the more volume you do, the cheaper of quote they will quote you. So for example, for us, we're at around the 40 cents per $100. So that means that a $3,000 box is costing us a little over 10 bucks, which is well worth it when you're talking that kind of money. We could lose one box all year and it would pay for itself. So whether you're into arbitrage, private label, wholesale, whatever business model you're doing on the platform, I highly recommend to check it out. I think it might be worth your while. And if you reference where you found this link from, if you reference my name, they will give you the best possible quote. So at least call them up. The more volume you do, the better a quote you're gonna get. See if it's right for you. I think it's definitely worth checking into. Now, if you guys did like this video, I highly recommend to stay tuned for the next one. It's a beginner focused video on how much money you actually need to get started. And I'm gonna be walking you guys all through the numbers. Really, really excited about that. But that's it for this one. Take care, talk soon. Hey everyone, if you did like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this coming out every single week. And also feel free to join the free Facebook group in the description below. A lot of like-minded people and networking opportunities there. Take care and let's talk soon.